everybody, it's Emily over at Dark Yarn, and today I'm going to show you how to wash your yarn. So to do this, what you need is your yarn, a tub, a towel, your yarn laundry soap, and a hanger. So what you want to do to start is you want to fill your bucket with about 16 ounces of cold to lukewarm water. And then after that's done, what you want to do is take your yarn soap and add about 1 tablespoon in there. After you do that, what you want to do is take your hand and just swirl it around a bit just to get it mixed into the water properly. And then after that's done, what you want to do next is pick up your yarn. And don't forget when you do this to have ties around your yarn, because if you don't have ties and you put it in the water, it could get tangled, which obviously we don't want. So you can see that's all nicely tied. What you want to do is place it in the water very gently. Place it in, and what you want to do is press down, because you want to make sure the water gets into all the fibers. But you want to be very gentle when you do this, because if you push too hard or you agitate it too much, the fiber can start to come apart, and we don't want that. So, all right, now that we've pushed the yarn down and it's in the tub, I'm going to leave it for about 30 minutes to an hour. Then after that, we'll come back and we'll take it out. Now that we have been soaking our yarn for about an hour, we're going to take it out. So what you want to do is basically the reverse of what we did before. Very gently pick up the yarn, let it drip a little bit, and then take it over to your towel. Place it on the top part of your towel, like so, and then take the other half of your towel and fold it over. And at this point, what you want to do is very gently press. Don't agitate, don't push, just press very gently, because again, you don't want to agitate the fiber. This just helps get the excess water out. Okay, now that we've pressed our yarn in the towel, we're going to take it out. And when you're holding it, you'll be able to feel it's a little drier, it's still wet, but it's not like it was before. So it helps the drying process. So what you want to do now is take your hanger, or you can hang it over your tub, anywhere, it doesn't really matter. Hang your yarn, and then I'd leave it for about a couple hours to overnight just to make sure that it's dry. So there you go. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, if you have any suggestions on videos you'd like to see in the future, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe.